Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Coco Kind is probably one of the most talked about skincare brands in the beauty community right now, and for good reason. Their commitment to clean, effective ingredients and sustainable practices has won them a loyal following. But with so many products to choose from, how do you know which ones are worth the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Coco Kind, exploring their bestsellers and helping you decide if they're right for your skin. Number 5. Bamboo Brush and Detangle Tail Comb for All Hair. This brush is made from 100% natural bamboo wood. The handle and bristles are all made of bamboo. It's a great choice for anyone who cares about natural products. The round ball tips on the bristles gently massage your scalp. This stimulates blood flow, which can help your hair grow faster. It's a comfortable and effective way to care for your hair. There's a special hole on top of the brush. This allows air to circulate, making the cushion more flexible. This design gives you a more comfortable brushing experience. The handle is made of polished natural bamboo. It's more durable than plastic brushes and feels great in your hand. This makes it easy and comfortable to use. This set includes a versatile pointy tail comb. It's suitable for all ages and hair types, for women and men. It's a perfect gift for anyone who loves taking care of their hair. What we like. This brush is made from natural bamboo, making it a sustainable and eco-friendly choice. The bamboo bristles gently massage your scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. If you're looking for a comfortable and effective way to detangle your hair while also promoting scalp health, you should consider this. What people say. The bristles are gentle yet effective, and they glide through my hair effortlessly, leaving it smooth and tangle-free. What I appreciate most is how it feels on my scalp. It's like a mini massage every time I brush. I have noticed less breakage and healthier looking hair since I started using it. Number 4. Youth to the People Superfood Facial Cleanser. Start your day with this gentle face wash. It's packed with kale and green tea, known for their soothing antioxidants. This cleanser will leave your skin feeling refreshed and ready for anything. This cleanser is tough on makeup but gentle on your skin. It effectively removes impurities without stripping away essential moisture. You'll love how clean and soft your face feels. Infused with superfoods, this cleanser helps promote glowing skin. The antioxidants work to protect your skin from environmental stressors. Use it daily for a radiant complexion. This formula is pH balanced to support healthy skin. It also helps to clean pores, reducing the appearance of blemishes. It's a great addition to any skincare routine. This cleanser is sulfate-free, making it gentle on sensitive skin. Plus, it comes in a refillable bottle, so you can feel good about your purchase. It's good for you and the planet. What we like. This cleanser is designed to gently remove makeup while maintaining your skin's natural pH balance. It's also sulfate-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin and need a gentle yet effective cleanser, you should consider this. What people say. The texture is perfect, not too thick or thin. It has a very light, clean scent. It absorbs quickly and leaves my skin feeling soft and hydrated. Number 3. Coco Kind Ceramide Barrier Serum. Introducing the Coco Kind Ceramide Barrier Serum. This serum is designed to deeply hydrate your skin. It's suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin, and it's fragrance-free and cruelty-free. This serum features squalane and beta-glucan, which are more hydrating than hyaluronic acid. These ingredients work together to deeply hydrate the skin and lock in moisture. This helps prevent water loss. The serum is formulated with ceramides to maintain your skin's natural function. It also contains ceramide precursors that encourage your skin's natural lipid production. Over time, it will leave your skin hydrated and supple. This serum helps restore comfort to sensitive skin. It supports a healthy skin barrier. It's a great choice for anyone looking to soothe signs of irritation. This lightweight serum absorbs instantly. You can layer it with other products, including retinol and vitamin C. Just apply a few drops after cleansing and toning, up to twice a day. Coco Kind skincare products are dermatologist tested. They are safe for all skin types. The products are also cruelty-free, fragrance-free, and vegan. Most products have a shelf life of about 12 months after opening. You'll find a POA symbol on the box to help you determine how long it's good for after opening. What we like. This serum is packed with ingredients that hydrate and support your skin's natural barrier. It's especially great for sensitive skin, helping to soothe any irritation. If you have dry or sensitive skin and are looking for a product to restore comfort and hydration, you should consider this. What people say. The texture is perfect, not too thick or thin. It's gentle enough to use around the eyes. It has a light, clean scent that doesn't irritate my skin. Number 2. Glow Recipe Hue Drops Bronzing Serum. Introducing the multi-use bronzing drops. It features the same brightening and hydrating ingredients as the best-selling serum, now with a warm hue. This sheer, buildable, and tinted face serum flatters a wide range of tones for a natural, healthy glow. Niacinamide minimizes pores for healthy skin. Hyaluronic acid and watermelon hydrate and soothe your complexion, delivering essential vitamins. Centella asiatica softens and calms skin, reducing redness. There's no one way to use it. Use it as the last step of your morning skincare routine for an all-over warm face glow. Blend 1 to 2 pumps onto the face and neck with fingertips. You'll definitely add it to your summer makeup essentials. Mix it with your foundation to bring more luminosity to the skin. Add 1 to 2 pumps of the bronzer drops with your foundation for an effortlessly dewy makeup look. You can also use it as a highlighter on the high points of your face. This product is made without parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, phthalates, dry alcohols, and synthetic dyes. Best of all, the entire line of serums and other skin care products are vegan and cruelty-free. We strive in creating an enjoyable self-care experience. What we like. This product gives you a healthy glow with a warm hue, and it's packed with ingredients that brighten your skin. You can use it in multiple ways, from a primer to a highlighter. If you like a natural, radiant look and want a versatile product, you should consider this. What people say. Gives me a nice glow, but does not clog my pores. Adds such a pretty glow to my skin that I don't need makeup. Leaves just the barest, sheerest, hardly there, summery sun-kissed tone to the skin, and leaves me looking and feeling fresh-faced, which is a surprise at 60 years old. Number 1. Coco Kind Vitamin C Glow Serum. This serum is made with sea grape caviar extract, which deeply hydrates the skin and improves water retention. Also, it contains hyaluronic acid to plump the skin, leaving it smooth and soft over time. The stable vitamin C in this serum helps brighten dark spots and even skin tone. It also promotes natural collagen production, giving you a radiant complexion. This lightweight serum protects your skin from environmental stressors. It helps reduce the appearance of dark spots over time, keeping your skin healthy. This gentle facial serum is suitable for daily use, both morning and evening. After cleansing and toning, gently massage a few drops into your skin. It's vegan, lightweight, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, and essential oil-free. Coco Kind creates earth-friendly skincare products without compromising on quality. These products gently deliver the promised results while supporting hydration and the skin barrier, leading to glowy, happy skin. Coco Kind products have a shelf life of 12 months after opening. You'll find a POA symbol on the box, indicating how long the product is good for after opening. This helps you keep track of its usage. What we like. This serum brightens your skin and boosts hydration, while also protecting it from environmental stressors. It's gentle enough for daily use. If you are looking to even out your skin tone and protect your skin, you should consider this. What people say. The texture is perfect, not too thick or thin. It has a light, clean scent. It absorbs quickly and leaves my skin feeling soft and moisturized. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.